D with Everyday Living with C and D, and we're on our journey to our first goal, which is 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to show you a recipe that you can make quick for your family, friends, and loved ones, and it's going to be chili cheese dogs today. So I'm going to show you everything that we need for the recipe. So you're going to need some hot dog buns. You're going to need Franks. I'm going to use beef Franks, the bun length ones. You're going to need deli sliced cheese. You're going to need chili. We're using canned chili today. This is the only canned chili that we use. It's the Campbell's chunky chili with beans. You're going to need some mustard and mayo, whichever one, or both if you like both for your family. And then we're going to try out these Sonic Tots today. We've never tried them before, but we're going to test them out. And then you're going to need onion. I already cut up onion, so here's the onion that I cut. Everybody, so here's our tots. I'm gonna open these and I'm just gonna make them in the oven. I'm not gonna fry them today. I'm just gonna put them on a cookie sheet, and I have it lined here with parchment paper, and I'm gonna cook them in the oven. You're gonna need to cook them in the oven on 425. It says 18 to 20 minutes for half bag, and it says 24 to 26 minutes for the entire bag. I'm just gonna do probably about half. I'm just gonna line them up on the cookie sheet on our parchment paper. I think that's enough for us. And get them ready to put in the oven, and we'll see how they taste. All right, so I'm just gonna put my chili in the pot. And then on the other eye, I have my griddle pan, and I have my Franks starting to cook on this side. So we're gonna let that start heating up, and we'll let our Franks do the same. All right, so our hot dogs are starting to cook. We just wanna get a nice brown on the outside of them, so I'm just gonna cook them for a while. You might need to do them for about 10 minutes. And then on the other side, our chili is starting to heat up, so I'm just gonna give it a stir. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And you can cook them on about medium high to high. I'm cooking them on about 6 on ours, and the same thing with the chili. You can put that at about a medium. I'm going to do that one at about 5. Let's stir the chili again. And then we're going to start turning our hot dog. And that's what we want. We want to get those nice brown lines all around the entire hot dog. So you're gonna just keep flipping it like this. Okay, I'm just gonna turn my eye on this side with the chili down. Turn it down to about a 4. All right, it's smelling good in here. We have that nice char on our dogs. We like to have a nice dark char on ours on each side. If you don't like that, you can turn yours down, but we're gonna continue to char ours because we like that nice char on them. And I'm just gonna flip it to each side. I'm gonna flip this one over here. It's smelling real good in here. Ooh, that smells nice. And I'm gonna turn my chili down to low, because now we just wanna keep it warm. And the same thing for our dogs. They have the nice char on each side. So we're gonna go ahead and turn them down to low as well. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and turn them off. Just let them stay here. All right, so our tots are ready. We're just gonna take those out of the oven and place them on top of the stove. All right, so we're ready to put our chili cheese dogs together. So I have a pan here. I'm gonna put my hot dog buns down in the pan. Gonna open them up. I have a total of 4 here, but if you have a lot, you can do a bigger pan. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my mayo and mustard down in there first. Oops. All right, just a little mayo, more mustard. One. All right, so now we're gonna add our chili. In each one. I'm gonna add a little bit more. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna add mustard to the top, on top of the chili. And then we're gonna put our cheese slices on top. Actually, I'm gonna tuck it in a little bit so it can go on each individual one. So I'll just tuck it a little bit so that they won't get stuck to each other. There we go. I'm gonna take the cheese and I'm gonna tear these in half and add a little bit more to a few of these so that they can have extra cheese on them. Well, all of them, actually. Here and here. All right, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven and heat the cheese, or melt the cheese. Our cheese is melting. It looks good. Okay, our cheese is melted. Our chili cheese dogs are done, so we're getting ready to pull them out of the oven. It looks good. It smells nice. Boom, baby, boom. Go ahead and pull these out. And put these on top of the stove. All right, so here's our finished chili cheese dog. Boom, baby, boom. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. And the cheese is melted, so we wanna make sure that it's not sticking to the other ones. I'm gonna take it out from this end. There we go. I'm gonna turn it so you guys can see it. And here's another one. And this is gonna be my husband, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the onion on top, because he likes onion on his. How much you want? Pretty good amount. All right, so that's the onion on top of his. And then if you have anybody who likes more mustard and more mayo, you can add that on top as well if you want to add more.
I want to add some jalapenos on there.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna add some jalapenos on for my husband on his.
Shaboom. Yeah, Yeah, these are looking delicious. Oh man, I can't wait to tear into this.
All right, so we're gonna add our Sonic Tater Tots. And by the way, guys, they taste pretty good, so try them out. Let me know what you think.
Let me get one. Well, good. If y'all can understand what I just said, it tastes good.
All right, so here's our chili cheese dogs and tater tots. So everyone, please subscribe to our video so that we can continue to make these videos. Like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you in the next video.